If you're an international student in tech or a recruiter trying to hire one, you've heard these terms. They often sound like a confusing alphabet soup. But what if you could see the entire path, from day one as a student all the way to a green card, laid out clearly? That's exactly what we're doing today. Think of the U.S. immigration journey for tech professionals not as a series of random steps, but as three distinct phases. The student phase, the professional phase, and the ultimate goal, the permanent phase. Understanding this structure is the key to planning your career. It all starts here. This is where you build your legal foundation to work in the U.S. The F-1 student visa. This is your entry ticket. Its primary purpose is study, but it allows for limited on-campus work. This is your base. CPT, or curricular practical training. This is permission to work in an internship while you are still a student, as long as it's integral to your curriculum. Day 1 CPT is a specific program some universities offer that allows this from the very start of your program. OPT, or optional practical training. This is your first major milestone. After graduation, you get 12 months of full-time work authorization in your field. This is the bridge from student to professional, the STEM opt extension. If your degree is in science, technology, engineering, or math, you get a huge advantage, an additional 24 months. This gives you a total of 3 years of work authorization without needing a new visa. This time is precious. The goal of the student phase is to secure a long-term role that moves you into the professional phase. This is about building your career with stability. The H-1B lottery. This is the gateway. To get an H-1B visa, your employer must enter you into an annual random lottery. It's competitive, and selection is a matter of chance. This is the single biggest hurdle for many. The H-1B visa. If you win the lottery, you can apply for the H-1B, a dual-intent visa for professionals in specialty occupations. It's initially granted for 3 years and can be extended to 6. This is the standard work visa for tech professionals. The H-4 visa for dependents. Your spouse and children under 21 can join you on this visa. Importantly, an H-4 spouse can apply for a work permit once the primary H-1B holder has reached a certain stage in the green card process. The professional phase is stable, but the ultimate goal for most is permanence, the green card. The I-140 immigrant petition. This is the official form your employer files to sponsor you for a green card. Its approval is a formal statement that the U.S. recognizes you as a professional of exceptional ability and that a permanent job awaits you. It's a monumental step. The green card, permanent residency. After the I-140, you await a visa number to become available to adjust your status. Once you have it, you become a lawful permanent resident. You can live and work in the U.S. indefinitely, free from visa renewals and most immigration restrictions. After years as a permanent resident, you can optionally apply for the final step, U.S. citizenship, with all the rights and responsibilities that come with it. This roadmap is complex, and the most critical part is the transition from student to professional. At Jobhunger, this is our specialty. We focus on getting OPT and STEM OPT developers like you from the classroom to the conference room. We help you build an ATS-friendly resume that gets noticed, connect you directly with our network of employer partners who understand and hire OPT talent, and help you prepare for interviews. Our goal is to get you the job offer that starts your professional phase. If you're on OPT or STEM OPT, and ready to take the next step with a partner who understands this journey, send us your resume at jobhunger.us. Use the subject line, Visa Roadmap, and let's schedule a brief chat to discuss your personal path to a U.S. tech career. For more clear, actionable guidance on building your life and career in the U.S., make sure to subscribe. This is Jobhunger, guiding your tech career every step.